What's up guys, it's your boy Andre and we're back here again at the Harley-Davidson garage. If you want to spruce up your motorcycle with a traditional look, but also protect the saddlebag's front corners, then check out these rear saddlebag guards. It's possible you've seen these rear saddlebag guards before, because they're featured as original equipment on many touring models, but we've made them available as an accessory for the 2023 and later CVO Street Glide and CVO Road Glide models. These guards are designed to protect the leading edge of the saddlebag from damage if you accidentally drop your bike when maneuvering at a low speed. Plus, they're shaped to accept the saddlebag guard bags that are sold separately, so you can increase your cargo space. The loop-style guards replace the under-saddlebag support, but do not fit with current saddlebag guard rails. Both the chrome and gloss black rear saddlebag guard kits include the saddlebag supports, left and right guards, and all the hardware that's necessary for mounting the guards to your ride. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Andre, Malama Pono, and we'll see you next time.